So here's the question, and as the title is given, the answer is not 1. It will surprise you. So most people solve it this question like here, 77 divided. They first solve the brackets, then after that they just simply do this, like solves this one, that gives 77, and that comes out to be 1. But this is wrong. We have to solve this using the PEMDAS rule. Okay? P stands for parenthesis, E for exponential, multiplication, addition, division, subtraction. And this follows from left to right. So here, the right answer would be, this is how we will solve it. Okay? 77 divided by 11 into 8 minus 1. So here we are, 77 divided 11 into 7. So this will come out to be, this is a divide sign, come out to be 7 into 7. That ultimately comes out to be 49. So this is the answer. This is how we solve it.